That's all on camera.
Sorry. Sorry.
Alright, real quick before we start today's video, I don't want to stall or anything, but I made new and exclusive Halloween merch, so I only dropped 150 units of it, and this is it right here. So we have like hoodies and two different colors, obviously black and white. We're gonna keep this as short as possible. Which one should I zoom in on? I think this one right here. The website once again is TobyVegaD.company site. I'll put it on the screen and we'll also link it down in the description below. But yeah, I mean, we already sold out a lot of it. I did a pre-order and we went through the quantities like crazy. I actually ended up having to do an order of another 50 shirts and hoodies. So you can see the stocks on here. As you can tell, everything is in high demand and we're running out of quantity by the minute. So if you guys want to get an order in to get one of these awesome hoodies or t-shirts, definitely check out the website. Let's get back to the video. What's going on, guys? This is Toby here and welcome back to another banger YouTube video. We're going to be going to FL2K with Sally. And no, I'm not racing the car, but first we got to pick up Devin. So we've got like a 20-minute drive on top of picking up Devin. Let's get there. And then I'm pretty sure they're doing events like all night long. So a couple of street racing stuff in Mexico, a couple of events at Hooters like meets, and you all are going to be brought along for the ride. So it's going to be super fun. All right, Mr. Devin, we're almost at your place. This person's really going to drive like that. Nice. Okay. Weirdos in Gainesville. Even though I had my turn signal on for a solid like 300 feet. Anyways, on a positive note, we're here at Devin's. He definitely heard that, so he's gonna come outside. You wanna bet? Let's see if he came out. Oh. Come on, Devin. Where is he? Never mind, he did hear me come out. Yep, there he is. Are you ready for FL2K? Go! Bro, we're so late, but I had to finish my stuff.
Yeah, we are late. This is Zach. He's the Mustang guy.
Yo, what up, Zach?
What's up, bro?
Toby, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
How you?
Isn't it sick?
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's great.
With the carbon fiber everywhere?
Yeah.
Damn, Devin, have you been smoking something? It reeks.
It smells like corn.
No, it does not smell like corn.
What does it smell
Oh,
like?
look at that. Look at that.
That's sick.
Damn, that's hard.
It smells, but we got to make a quick little pit stop and get some bang or something.
Some bangs?
I need some energy.
Hopefully that has some ghosts, not an ad, because those are better.
Yeah. Where are we supposed to park? Bro, this place is packed.
So packed. There's so many cool cars out here on the side of the road too.
Yeah. We gotta get in the stands.
It's gonna be sick.
All these passes, because like there's so many people out here.
Look at that.
See the Mark IV? Where's Trey? We gotta meet up with Trey too. This guy's got the carbon fluid on his Mustang. That's the one that Trey said crashed earlier, or almost crashed. It blew out the rear end or something like that.
Not going to do it. 1021, 145 for the Infinity.
Probably gonna jump in the stands and look a little bit, but yeah, I don't know whose booth this is, but look at that.
That is,
STO right there. And we have a really cool seat in the back. This one looks sick too. Sorry?
bro, that wrap I was gonna put on the car, but I went with what I did anyway.
Really?
Yeah.
I've seen this one on Instagram before.
Yeah.
That's a real fast car. Look at the size of the tire.
Holy hell.
Yeah, you see the size of the tire?
Yeah.
That's insane. Yeah. That's a crazy car. Devin, I'm gonna call it one day, okay?
One day.
One day.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's a crazy car, bro.
That thing's
Is
fire.
it twin turbo too?
Do you see it?
I don't know. I see an intake out the back, so I don't think so, but that's crazy. Oops, I'm not supposed to curse. My bad. You saw turbos?
I think so, yeah.
We need to find Trey. Oh, look at that. Mark IV Supra.
This guy?
Two of them.
I seen this car outside
I
of
think I know
Starbucks.
this guy.
Yeah, I seen him a lot.
Yeah, I think I've seen him too. He's from Gainesville, right?
He is from Gainesville.
Yeah, I've seen this thing in
Follow his
Gainesville.
Instagram. Oh my god.
What?
Bro,
What?
We're going to move up from the very
And what did that Camaro go? 9? 9-0?
I ran a 9. That's that potential.
No, that's not that potential. That's like that. That's like that $40,000 in a money pit.
Yeah.
Motor potential.
Yeah.
Cletus McFarland in the left lane. The twin turbo big box Steve Morris racing in. Making it change from LB1 to small block Chevrolet now. Stick car goes in first. Cletus punch his top up.
Do you hear that? Is that the 6-second one or no?
Oh my god. Oh, 7.
I told you that Camaro looked like it didn't play.
That thing was nasty.
I told you. I told you.
That's nasty.
Big old smoky burn out there. Left hand side.
Oh my god, I saw it earlier. It has double parachutes.
It does.
Yeah, it does. It does.
2014 Mustang.
That's the one we saw when we walked in, and I said that thing has double parachutes on it.
It's running. What is it, like a 7-7 car? 45 spots.
8s?
What does he trap, like 180?
I'm actually not sure.
Well, we'll see right now.
We'll find out. He said he turned it up a bit, so we'll see. That reaction time too.
These cars are like 7-second cars.
Solid for tomorrow. H3 also solid for tomorrow. Going in for 3
I'm a
Bro.
We're just hypertubing our teeth.
Bro. Alright, bro.
A new clutch for now, actually. It's holding up. I just ran a 6-second 60 to 130 yesterday on the same clutch.
All right, here comes our next pair.
What is that, a C8?
Adam Camino out of
Really?
Clarksville, Tennessee.
That thing's gonna take off.
Fun fact, he did not take off.
It's so hard to record with this lens, bro.
Couple more. 2 more Mustangs going to stage up right here. The blue rims are on the left-hand side.
Jeez, things sound like a jet.
box and everything.
So like for this portion of the video, I had the onboard Rode mic, but it glitched out and didn't work. So basically I was like, you know, we're at FL2K, we need to mess with some people real quick. And first off, a follower came up to me and we're shaking hands and stuff. And I was like, you know, every 6-second pass I see, every 7-second pass, I can feel my balls getting bigger. And like the guy just looks at me. I forgot his name, but I followed him on Instagram. He was super cool. We took pictures together. He looks at me and he's like, what the heck? Like, he didn't even know what to say. So then I had to be like, you know what? I'm sorry, man. I'm messing with you. And then I walked over to the fence and I was talking to the other dude. We're talking about drag cars and who we think is going to win the final race, because the final race for FL2K is going on at this time. So I was like, you know what? It's the final race. I got to mess with somebody at least once while I'm here, just as like a joke, you know, say some stupid stuff and make them laugh. Anyways, we're watching this race, no audio once again, which really sucks because it glitched out on the portable Rode mic that I was wearing underneath my shirt. But I look at him and I'm like, damn, man, you know, I felt my balls getting bigger after that one. And he just starts dying laughing. Like, you can see me make the gesture with my hand. And I really wish we had the audio on there because it would have been 3 times funnier instead of having to explain it like this. But yeah, what you see is the final race for FL2K for that night. And whoever won that, I think, went on to the No Time Championship the next day. So it was super cool. And I'm sorry once again for the lack of audio.
I really hope that recorded the audio on that, but basically I was messing with this dude saying that I felt my balls get bigger after one of the passes. Just for fun, you know, because I don't really like messing with people like that. And I don't think the camera ended up recording it, but we're gonna walk around here probably and head out and see what's going on with the other car meets for the rest of the night. That's a nice GTR. Look at the Viper over there. Let's go look at that one. Picture of that one. That is insane. Devin, would you own one of those?
I would. That's fire. Blue and white stripe, anything is just absolutely beautiful.
So look at that C6. That's a real C6. Oh my god. Yo.
That's nasty.
You see that? That's a real C6. And that's his 6-second car truck thing. That's manual. He ran 6s today, apparently. Oh man, are they not?
They're walking away. Come on.
What up? Nothing much.
What are you guys doing?
We just left FL2K. Yeah. Probably gonna go to a meet later. What about you?
We were trying to go to school.
Yeah, how do you like hear about the meets?
Well, this is like one of the biggest meets in Gainesville.
Which one is it?
FL2K. It's like
Oh yeah, isn't it tomorrow though?
It's all weekend.
It's all week.
Yeah, because we were gonna go to the Cars and Coffee tomorrow.
You should.
Yeah,
It'll
we
be
are.
banging, bro.
Yeah.
There's a
Are
lot
you
of
gonna
stuff.
be there?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we'll be
I mean,
there.
if I finish my school stuff fast enough.
Yeah.
I came out to FL2K like 45 minutes before they closed because I was trying to finish all my stuff.
Yeah, because I heard they moved it because it was in Fort Myers and then they brought it here.
Yeah, Sarasota, they brought it here.
This.
Yeah, right.
Yo, send that to me on Instagram. I got you.
All right. Middle fingers for Jacob.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Thank you.
What was your name?
Drew.
Nice to meet you, Drew.
Nice to meet you.
All right, I'll see you guys later.
All right. See ya.
See ya.
Peace out.
Have a good night.
You too. Stay safe. Going up to one of these after meets of FL2K.
Which looks kind of cool.
Yeah, it looks just like Fast and Furious scene right here, bro.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah. You know, car is fast when it has that drag wheel on the back of it.
Oh yeah. We saw his car racing. It was
Really? Really fast?
Homie,
It's crazy. That's why I want to see 6, bro. You see how good that thing looks? That's why I want to see 6. And that's the R8 he was talking about. Jeez, that super sounds good. I mean, I'd be down to race the STO. Yeah. If you see the passenger seat, record it.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a bet right there. his social media or something. Yeah, you should have got his social media. That's terrifying.
He said you.
He said maybe.
Turbo? Why don't you ran either high speed or low down? I don't hear charger on it, so.
Melting from his exhaust.
It was on fire.
Dang, I wish I had a BMW. That Corvette's got some tires.
Beer is actually,
Pretty
believe it or
fast.
not, one of the fast here.
Straight slicks.
4 bead locks. Not one.
Race my call me daddy.
Twin turbo. Alright. That's crazy. That's all on camera.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I
was
wasn't like focusing on the camera. I was looking at the car.
Out to Mexico with a pure turbo upgrade. What is it? Q60? Q50. Pure turbos. Makes like what?
Depends on what map. Anywhere from 5 to
700?
Yeah.
Okay.
1,000.
And he's on a tire too. I'm on my street tire. So, what speed do you want to do?
40 is my best roll, but you can do whatever. No matter.
We gotta do 60, bro.
60?
Yeah.
Fun.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
All right, 40.
You do 40? Holy sh**. What? Can't do 40. Go 40. Faster, yeah.
Make sure he's good. What happened?
I don't know, he like backed off.
Yeah, he backed off. What happened?
Yeah, he did back off.
I don't know what happened to him.
We'll figure it out.
You good? Huh? No? Faster? All right. If I wasn't bogged, I would be walking him a little bit more.
Yeah.
But it's because I'm on street tires. And he's on a tire.
Yeah.
It's fast.
I didn't expect your gears to be so long.
Do you hear?
That's where, like, whenever I'm switching gears, you're still going.
Yeah, I'm still pulling. You know what? He has to give us some flames here. You know, it's only right.
So today, guys, I'm here with the #1 car reviewers in Florida.
No, absolutely not. But yep, nice to meet you,
Nice
Toby.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So look at this car right here. This is like a beauty. Would you like to explain it to the camera what it is? Like what it
Yeah,
does?
this is actually the slowest boosted 5.0 on the whole internet and the entirety of Florida too.
Yeah, runs 11s.
Yeah, no,
Runs 11s.
no, 13s, 13s. That's what it runs.
So I came all the way to Gainesville with my gains to see this.
A 13-second car. Yeah.
How much horsepower?
You know, I capped on the dyno chart actually, so we're lying, man. I dynoed it at 700 wheel horsepower on pump gas, but that was a lie.
That was a lie?
Yeah,
We
I actually
photoshopped.
edited it. Yeah,
This is what type of sorority is this? This is like alpha beta or something.
that's exactly what it is.
This is alpha beta sorority.
Beta
You know what they say, right?
Beta.
Fake it until you make it, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm real.
Yeah.
I'm real.
So
is this
real.
car free Riz? Is it free Riz?
No, it's not free riz.
Nothing's free. Right?
Honestly, bro, a girl sees this thing and they're like,
She sits on it.
ew. They say, did you crash that thing? And I say, absolutely. That's what I said. You know, they ask me, has it been crashed? And I say, yeah, it has.
Yeah.
It has been crashed.
Yeah, it has.
Stay angry, man.
I'm gonna 6 figures for this car.
No.
More.
Less.
Less.
Less. Drastically less.
Bro, imagine if I took this whip to the gym, bro. Everyone would be surrounding like this car. Like,
Nah,
like-
I don't think so.
Yes, it would, bro.
Nah.
It
Maybe-
would.
Without when
Maybe
you're
the
doing 13
R8.
seconds.
Maybe the R8 over there.
Bro, I'd be sitting on this hood.
Dude, the R8's a car.
No.
We'd be behind Hooters, Gaines in Gainesville.
No,
Gang,
no,
gang.
we need an outro, bro. We don't need gang,
So
gang.
you have to subscribe. You have to like the video. If not, I will not interview you. I will never interview you, and yeah, it's just disrespectful. You have to drop a like. We are making fire content. Honestly.
Exactly. So with that, you know, go bust out there, fellas, and I will see you in the next video.
Yeah, like, get the floss. Get the floss.
Clearly, we all had way too much fun at FL2K, so until next year, I mean, I had a freaking blast.